Hi friend, today now we discuss direction ratio of a vector in two-dimensional geometry and three-dimensional geometry. Direction ratio. What is direction ratio? This is a topic which is related to DCS. So first we know recall some previous topic. If the r vector equal to xik plus yjk plus zkk in component form, then this vector is make angle alpha with positive direction. This vector r vector makes angle alpha with makes angle alpha with x axis and makes angle beta with y axis and makes angle with gamma with z axis this alpha angle cos value of this alpha is equal to L. Cos value of this angle y axis is angle M. Similarly, the gamma angle of cos value of this gamma angle is N. This L, M, N are called DCS of vector R. We previous slide we discussed L is equal to cos alpha equal to r by x by r, M equal to y by r, and N equal to z by r. So what is x? X is equal to r by L, y equal to M into r, gamma z is equal to r into L. This from this we already discussed in previous video. So here we discuss what is the direction ratio of a vector. So direction ratio is nothing but a number or the it लिखिछि the number से number को मु direction ratio कहबी से number को मु direction ratio कहबी the numbers are said to be direction ratio if which are proportional to the DCS से नंबर मानन को मु डायरेक्शन रेशियो कहबी जदि से नंबर गुडी को DCS को proportional होती. What is the meaning of proportional? That means suppose here from this relation x is equal to L by r. Okay, so then L by L into r, x equal to L into r. Now what is x by L is equal to what? R. That implies you write x is to L is equal to r. That means this DCS is proportional to this number. एटा होची DCS ए DCS टा कहा को प्रोपोर्शनल हेची r x को प्रोपोर्शनल हेची then x is called DRS along x axis similarly what is y is equal to similarly we write y is equal to m r. So y by m is equal to r. That means y is to m is equal to r. Okay, or r is to 1. Then m is a DCS which is proportional to y. M is DCS जे कहा को प्रोपोर्शनल होची y को प्रोपोर्शनल होची ए नंबर को प्रोपोर्शनल होची ए नंबर को मु कहबी DRS along y axis. Similarly n is equal to z by r. Similarly we say n equal to z by r. So n by z is equal to r. So z is equal to n into r. So z by n is equal to r. That means z is to n is equal to r is to 1. That means एटा DCS थिला एही DCS टा को नंबर को प्रोपोर्शनल हेची एही DCS टा एही नंबर z को प्रोपोर्शनल हेची z is another DRS of along z axis. तो किछि सब भूली जा जो माने DCS हेचंती से DCS को प्रोपोर्शनल होची कि x y z. तो मने रखे दरकार नै जो वेक्टर टा देथिबो तारो i कंपोनेंट रो कोएफिशिएंट y j component ro coefficient और k component ro coefficient सेही माने हबे तमरो DRS of the vector. In simple way we remember this in the simple way. Suppose this is a vector. Suppose this is a vector 2i plus j minus 2k. So what is the DRS? DRS of the vector r. Suppose this is your r vector. What is the DRS of the vector? DRS is coefficient of this 2, coefficient of j 1, coefficient of k. This is your DRS of the vector. This is your DRS of the vector. Now next question, how we find DCS from DRS? If DRS is given, if DRS of a vector is given, how we find DCS? Okay. Next topic is how we find DCS of a vector if this DRS is given. So since the vector is given here, okay, so r vector equal to xik plus yjk plus zkk. If in the form of component, the DRS r vector equal to x, y, z. These components, this coefficient are DRS of the vector. Now we want to find DCS. So DCS is L, M, N. We know everyone. So we know that this relation L square plus L square plus L square equal to 1. Not necessary. So L is we know x by r. What is r? R is the r vector. What is r? R is the r vector. It means in the two-dimensional, this vector is r, or this is magnitude of r vector. Or if this is your p vector x comma y in this z, suppose this is your z. So OP vector is equal to xik plus yjk plus zkk. So OP vector magnitude is equal to x square plus y square plus z square of root over. This is your r vector. This is your r. So x by r, yani x by r vector magnitude, r vector magnitude is equal to x by x square plus y square z square. M is equal to y by r, y by x square plus y square plus z square. N is equal to z by r, z by x square plus y square plus z square. So DCS of r vector equal to L, M, N. L is equal to this, M is equal to this, and N equal to this. So x by r vector, y by r vector, z by r vector. Now how solve this problem? Find the DRS and DCS of the vector. Now find DRS and DCS. DRS and DCS of 2ik plus jk minus 2kk. Question, the solution is DRS of, let r vector is equal to 2ik plus, since given minus 2ik, so magnitude of r vector is equal to 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square root over, that is equal to 4 plus 1 plus 4 root over is equal to square root of 9 is equal to plus 3. Because we take, why we take plus 3, why we will not take minus 3? Because this is a magnitude, the length of the length is always positive, so we take only 3. So r vector is equal to 3. So DRS of the vector, DRS of r vector is equal to coefficient x, coefficient y, coefficient z. So 2, 1, minus 2 is the DRS. Now how we find DCS? DCS is equal to, using this formula, DCS is your L, M, N. Suppose DCS is equal to, suppose DCS is L, M, N. We know L is equal to x upon x square plus y square plus z square. That is equal to, what is x? X is equal to this r vector xik plus yjk plus zkk. So x is equal to 2ik plus jk plus minus 2kk. So what is x? X is equal to 2 upon 2 row magnitude already, r row magnitude 3. So 3, so 2 by 3. L, M is equal to y upon r row magnitude, that is equal to 1 by 3 and n is equal to z upon magnitude of r vector is equal to -2 by 3. So L M N DCS is equal to 2 by 3, 1 by 3 minus 2 by, this is your answer. 2 by 3, 1 by 3